Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing About Phone section at the top. Now click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, you can discard your changes by tapping on the top left corner, or save them by choosing this check mark at the top right one. So when I click on it, as you can see, name of my XIAOMI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!